Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will see how to zip a file on Mac. So first of all, select the files that you want to zip. You can click and hold, then drag your cursor to select multiple files at the same time. Once the files are selected, press and hold the Control key from your keyboard, and then tap on the mouse pad. You can also simply right-click using your mouse. A menu will appear on your screen. From this menu, find and click on the compress option. And there you go. The selected files have now been converted into a zip file. Now let's also see the second method. Again, select the files that you want to make into a zip file. This time, from the top menu bar, click on File. From this menu, you will again find the compress option. Simply click on it, and the selected files will be converted into a zip file. Now, if you want to convert an entire folder into a zip file, the method is exactly the same. Simply right-click on the folder, and from the menu, click on Compress. Your MacBook will instantly create a zipped version of that folder. Creating a zip file not only combines the files together, but it also compresses the file size, which can make it easier to store or share. And that's it. This is how you can zip a file on Mac. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more such videos, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.